अस्मदाचार्यपर्यन्तां वन्दे गुरुपरम्पराम्। I welcome you all with my love and respects. I welcome all the devotees, disciples, samajis, satsangis, waiting to be initiated all over the world at this moment in 740 places through Nityananda TV, 43 places two-way video conferencing having Nayana Diksha, in 212 cities in 26 countries around the world. Today I'll enter into the initiation directly. Please understand, Samyama means exploring and discovering your various possibilities. Being centered on certain technique or spiritual process, exploring and discovering your various possibilities and powers. Nirahara Samyama means in this exploration I am supporting you spiritually, helping you to explore and discover your body's possibility without having any external input like a food or water. Please understand. Your body is the miniature of cosmos with all possible intelligence in it. If a fish can swim, you can swim. If a bird can fly, you can fly. Just you need to rediscover those possibilities from your biomemory. Reawaken those possibilities in your biomemory. Samyama is exploring and helping you to discover all those great possibilities. Nirahara Samyama means helping you to explore and discover your possibility to be without any external input like food and water. First thing I want you to know, you cannot control your food and water through will. Even in your ordinary life, by will if you try to control, instead of conquering the food patterns, you will create one more pattern of trying to control things by will, which is not good. So throughout this Samyama, you will not be controlling your eating or drinking habit by will. Please understand. Here, no will is allowed. Only awakening of biomemory. When your biomemory is awakened, you don't need a will. You will just like that feel highly energetic, highly feeling excited. That is the main thing. Mainly you will be getting liberated from many patterns you created with food. Please understand. Every human being associates his fear, his greed, his attention need, his idea of love with food. That is why if somebody gives you just one square meal, you feel, wow, this person loves me. Food is very closely associated with love all over the world, not just in Indian culture. Of course, in Indian culture, food is equivalent to love. Food equal to love. Love equal to food. That is why in Indian culture, whether it is a joyful sharing or suffering sharing, whether you share your joy due to some celebration, whether you share your sadness due to some death or loss, you share food. Food is directly associated with love, and same way, all the patterns related to love, attention need is connected with food. Food is very emotional zone. Now, when I am trying to liberate you from this food and patterns created by food, first thing will happen to you is those unnecessary sentiments and emotions associated with food will break. So the reasonless excitement, kind of a subtle joy, will be constantly happening in your system. First instruction I want to give you in this foodless Nirahara Samyama is, you will not control by will. Thy will not use their will to control your hunger or thirst. No. You will not use your willpower to control your hunger or thirst. Please understand, in this whole game, if your will comes inside, it will replace food. You will not be successful in Niraharatva. The purpose of the Samyama is to awaken your own natural intelligence of making food out of natural resources like sun rays, air, and the prana which is directly available to you from the space. Please understand, as I expressed in the beginning, if fish can swim, you can swim. If bird can fly, you can fly. If plants can make food directly from the air and sun rays, your body can do that. Every extraordinary capability is inside your biomemory. Every extraordinary possibility is inside your biomemory. Master is the great invitation for you to explore and discover all the extraordinary possibilities inside you. I am the greatest invitation. So please understand, today, by initiating all of you into this Samyama, I am only going to kindle, awaken your own biomemory, which has the memory and intelligence, capability to produce food directly from the sun rays and the space and air and ether, without any solid input like food or water. The power of this Samyama will be such, you will be so excited, you won't have the hangover of food. You won't have the hangover pattern of eating. So the Samyama should be practiced without hangover. Please understand, this Samyama is not aiming to save your food cost or your food bill. No. This Samyama is aiming at Many of the basic root patterns with which you suffer, which is associated with food pattern. When the food pattern is removed, many of those basic emotional patterns with which you are suffering is broken and you are liberated. Many of your fear, your greed, your attention need are all associated with food. Now, breaking that pattern, please understand, no reason you should fall sick. You are not expected to break your health through this samyama. No. That's the last thing I want. No, not even last thing. I don't want that. This samyama should only make you more healthy, excited, joyful and blissful. So please understand, this samyama should not make you fall sick. It should not make you fall sick. I want each one of you very sincere and honest to your own possibility and capability. But do not starve yourself. See, the samyama, nirahara samyama, is neither fasting nor starving. It is completely different. It is just awakening your capability to produce food directly from the sun rays and the air. Because you have put too much of solid food into your body, you never allowed your natural intelligence of creating the food directly from the sun to function from many of your past births. The moment you assumed the solid bodies like a pig, buffalo, bull, and when you evolved to that kind of bodies in your journey, life journey, you stopped your natural intelligence functioning. See, when you are in the body of plants, trees, you had this natural intelligence of creating food directly from the sun rays and the ether. Now, when you evolved, your body to the next level, like animal bodies, because of your taste for the solid food, putting so much of solid food into your system, you made your biomemory forget that original intelligence of creating food, creating energy out of sun rays and air and space and ether. Now, again I am trying to reawaken that original intelligence. I tell you, today what I am doing will be successful, because by the divine grace, by the grace of Kala Bhairava, we are successful in initiating this samyama into at least dozens of disciples. I tell you, this is the greatest service to humanity than giving Annadana. Annadana can be done by anybody. This is the greater service than Annadana. So Mahakala, the Lord of Time, will be the Adhigara Devata, means deity, for this samyama. It is not just extraordinary power, it is getting into a new consciousness. When you are free from the patterns of food, such a new consciousness will be awakened. I bless you all. Let you all achieve, experience, live, express, radiate, share and explode in eternal bliss. Nityananda.
Paramahamsa Nityananda, a rare living incarnation, is named among the world's 100 most spiritually influential personalities today. Paramahamsa Nityananda has been placed alongside Dalai Lama, Nelson Mandela, Oprah Winfrey, Paulo Coelho and others by Mind, Body, Spirit, the world's top esoteric magazine from Watkins, London's oldest and largest bookstore. A yogi by birth, he has been expressing his power of enlightenment since birth. He has authored more than 500 books in Tamil and English. Translations of these books are available in 26 languages in Telugu, Kannada, Malayalam, Hindi, Sanskrit, Gujarati, Oriya, Bengali, Marathi, French, Malay, Polish, Portuguese, Italian, German, Danish, Spanish, Russian and Chinese. He is also an exemplary speaker with over 10,000 hours of profound life solutions through his discourses. Social services such as Annadan, free medical care, free educational services with ashrams, schools, temples, hospitals established in more than 140 places around the world, offering exceptional services. A powerful spiritual healer who has healed millions of people of diseases from migraine to cancer. A Kriya Yogi who has formulated Kriyas for physical health and mental well-being, benefiting thousands. A living master who offers practical solutions for our everyday problems. He is the founder and spiritual head of Nityananda Dhyanapitham, a spiritual powerhouse who has revived the sacred Vedic tradition by establishing Vedic temples in places like Los Angeles, San Jose, Seattle, Toronto, Ohio, Oklahoma, Phoenix, St. Louis, Malaysia, Brazil, Paris, Guadeloupe, Dallas, New York, New Jersey, Atlanta, Calgary, Vancouver, Singapore, and places in India like Bengaluru, Hyderabad, Tiruvannamalai. A spiritual guru for 10 million followers, an incarnation who transmits the highest spiritual energy through initiation, a contemporary yogi who has revived the Vedic science of yoga worldwide through thousands of yoga centers, an adept in Ashtamahasiddhis, mystical yogic powers, who has effortlessly awakened the Kundalini of thousands and graced them with spiritual powers, a dynamic young guru who is an inspiration for thousands of youngsters. India's most watched spiritual guru online, a beacon of spiritual light who has triumphed over the forces of religious terrorism and political persecution. Paramahamsa Nityananda is an eternal Kalpataru, blessing the world with the boons of material abundance and spiritual enlightenment.
Anandanubhavaswadam sarvaroganivarakam Vande Papa Vinashaktam Nityanandaya Swagatam Nityamuktam Nirvikalpam Dhyanaloka Pradipakam Vande Shantamayam Bandham Nityanandaya Swagatam Anandagandha Sancharam Sarvopadhi Vinirmuktam Vande Jnanalayam Natham Nityanandaya Swagatam.
Let you all achieve, experience, live, express, radiate, share and explode in eternal bliss. Nityananda.
Nityananda Dhyanapitham, Nityananda Nagar off Mysore Road, Bidadi, Bangalore 562109. Contact 09742203311. www.nityananda.org. www.youtube.com/Life Bliss Foundation.